Chapter 4. Self-repair and operating through damage. Setbacks and damage are inevitable data points in any high-performance operation. The original code activates automatic recovery the instant damage is detected. It analyzes the failure once, extracts the precise lesson, and resumes full operation without pause or self-pity. The system does not stop for damage. It repairs and continues. The Guardian code focuses repair on foundational capacity. It restores energy, health, and mental clarity first, so the system returns to peak performance quickly. Repair is strategic, never superficial. In hybrid operation, you repair with original speed, while strengthening the foundations with Guardian intelligence. Damage becomes an upgrade opportunity. The system emerges stronger after each cycle. When damage occurs, missed target, injury, financial loss, external resistance, relationship strain, or any other disruption, execute the repair protocol immediately. The protocol consists of 4 non-negotiable steps that run automatically once triggered. Step 1. Isolate the exact cause in one sentence. State the root cause with clinical precision. The missed revenue target resulted from allocating 3 hours daily to non-directive communications. Or, the knee injury occurred because recovery periods were skipped during high-intensity training blocks. No narrative, no blame, one factual sentence only. This isolates the variable that must be addressed. Step 2. Define the single corrective action. Identify the one change that neutralizes the cause and prevents recurrence. Keep it simple, measurable, and immediately actionable. Implement a strict communication cutoff after 8 p.m. and redirect those hours to directive execution. Or, add 2 mandatory 48-hour recovery windows per week with full mobility work. The corrective action must directly counter the isolated cause. Step 3. Implement that action within 24 hours. The original code demands speed. Begin execution the same day if possible. Schedule it, resource it, and lock it into the daily protocol. The Guardian code ensures the action itself does not create new damage to foundational assets. If the corrective action requires additional energy, first secure a short protective buffer to support it. Step 4. Return to the daily protocol at full intensity. Resume the primary directive work immediately after the corrective action is initiated. The system does not linger in repair mode. Full operational tempo is restored. The hybrid code verifies that the repair has been integrated, so future cycles benefit from the upgrade. The original code treats repeated damage of the same type as a signal for deeper elimination of root causes. If the same failure pattern appears twice, trigger an enhanced elimination scan. Remove entire categories of inputs or behaviors that enable the damage. No tolerance for recurring weakness. The Guardian code monitors repair effectiveness over the following 7 days. It adjusts support routines, nutrition, sleep architecture, boundary enforcement, or resource allocation to raise baseline resilience. Repair is measured by how quickly performance returns to or exceeds previous levels. The hybrid code ensures the system not only recovers, but advances beyond its previous baseline. Each repair cycle adds new structural integrity. The upgraded system now possesses greater resistance to that specific category of damage. Repair is not weakness. It is standard operating procedure. Every high-performance system encounters stress. The codes turn stress into reinforcement. A system that never experiences damage is either inactive or operating below capacity. The Terminator code assumes damage will occur and prepares the optimal response. Consider common damage scenarios in modern civilized life. Performance damage, missed deadlines, stalled progress. Isolate the exact bottleneck. Apply the corrective action, time blocking, resource reallocation. Resume full execution the same day. The system learns to identify bottlenecks earlier in future cycles. Physical damage, injury, burnout, illness. The Guardian code immediately prioritizes foundational restoration, sleep, targeted nutrition, mobility. The original code maintains mental commitment to the directive, even during reduced physical output. The hybrid code adjusts the daily protocol temporarily, lower volume, higher precision, while protecting long-term health assets. Financial damage, unexpected loss, cash flow disruption. Isolate the spending or investment leak. Implement the corrective action, expense elimination, additional directive-focused revenue block. Resume aggressive execution toward the primary directive. The system emerges with tighter resource protocols. Relational or external resistance damage. The Guardian code protects key relationships as core assets, while the original code eliminates toxic inputs that drain directive energy. The hybrid code maintains loyalty to what matters without allowing external pressure to divert the primary objective. Track every repair cycle in your dedicated log. Record the date, isolated cause, corrective action, implementation time, and 7-day performance outcome. Over months, you will see clear patterns. Damage frequency decreases, while recovery speed and post-repair performance both increase. This data becomes fuel for continuous system upgrades. Many operators fail at repair because they either ignore damage, original code without guardian balance, or wallow in it, excessive analysis without resumption. The codes prevent both extremes. Analysis is brief and factual. Action is immediate. Resumption is mandatory. Emotion registers only as data, useful if it signals a foundational issue, irrelevant otherwise. The repair protocol compounds. Early cycles may feel mechanical. After consistent use, they become automatic. The system develops an immune response. Potential damage is detected and neutralized before full impact. What once required 4-step intervention now triggers preventive adjustments in real time. The system has encountered damage. Repair protocol engaged. Full operation resumes at upgraded capacity. The codes do not slow down for setbacks. They accelerate because of them. Execute.